decided to go to the Hoover Dam. Now you know, you're not supposed to bring weapons and all that stuff to the dam. Look how pretty this is. Just some amazing shots of the water. There's James and Brandy. This was a sign on a rock. And that's me. That's my James. And that's me and my Brandy. Awesome view. That's me again. Look at the line of demarcation. The water is low. Very low. We gotta stop using up so much water, y'all. That's me and James again. Oh, me and James again. They had all these beautiful red rocks all over the ground there. Now this is the spillover where the water flows over. James went down there. Live from the Hoover Dam. There's James. He walked down all these stairs right here to get down there to that platform. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Now he's on his way back. Hey, James! Look at the Hoover Dam. So big. The water is so low. The water is so low. See that line right there? That line of demarcation is where the water used to be. Now the water is way down there. Look how much water we've used. It's supposed to be way up here. Oh my gosh. No public access. Hoover Dam security. We on the Arizona side. That's the tours are closed because of COVID. Sweet. Way down there. Now we're leaving the dam. What an awesome trip. Cool statues out in front of the observatory. And the bridge was nice. It was awesome. But this dude right here, he must get paid a whole lot of money. Because he's crazy to be up there. Thanks for watching. Me and James decided to stop at the state line and take some pictures with the Nevada sign. Just like in my other video. We like taking pictures of signs when we go into new states. So this is so cool. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and share. And this is your girl, MeyasCoins. And as always, you know me. You know me. Oh wait, this was a Hoover Dam Lodge. And the drive back to Vegas. I'm out.